Good day, and today we are going to learn how to find the equation of a graph, of a linear graph, okay? So the steps are on the left and the equation on the right, so we will do as we go along, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is whenever a graph is given, we are going to write the equation of a general equation of the graph, that is y equal to mx plus c. Your objective is to find the value of m and c, where m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept, where the graph cuts the y-axis. So the first thing you do, step 2, okay, you're going to find the y-intercept where the graph cuts the y-axis. This is the graph and it cuts the y-axis at 4. Can you see that? It cuts at 4. So immediately your c is equal to 4. Your c equal to plus 4. Very simple as that, okay? Now you want to find the gradient. If you find the gradient, then the equation will be solved. To find the gradient, you draw a triangle. So you draw a triangle, okay? And you find the gradient by doing the rise divide by the run. So the rise is the point here to 0, very simple, okay? That is 4, okay? Because 0 to 4 is 4. And the run is from here to here. 0 to 2 is going to be 2. Don't worry about the negative sign, okay? Then you put the rise as 4 over 2, and that will be a 2, okay? Then you need to tell me whether is this graph positive, going slope upwards or downwards. So if it's going up, okay, so it's a positive gradient. So you know your c and you know your m, so your equation in y equals to m is plus 2x and your c is plus 4. That is how you find the equation of the graph. Okay, we look at the second example now, okay? Second example, y. And you have this graph, the general equation is y equal to mx plus c. You need to find m and c. C is easy to find, where the graph cuts the y-axis and it cuts at 6. So c equal to 6. Simple as that, okay? To find your gradient, m is rise over run. So to find the rise over run, you draw a triangle, okay? So the rise is 6 and the run is 3. Don't worry about negative sign. So the rise is 6 and the run is 3. Okay, so that will give you a 2. Next step, you are going to tell me whether it is a positive or negative gradient. Is the graph going up or down? It's going down. So if the gradient is a negative 2. So your equation is going to be y equals to m, which is minus 2x plus 6, because your c is 6. That is how you calculate the equation of a line. Okay, we shall do three more, by the way, okay? The next one is, okay, you can't form a triangle, so what you do, the point cuts at 0, and it cuts to the point 5, 3, means x is 5, y is 3. So you can do a triangle, and you can do the top or bottom triangle, so you're going to draw a triangle there. So first, you find y equal to mx plus c. C is where it cuts the y-axis. The y-axis is here, and it cuts at 0, so your c equal to 0. To find your gradient, again you must find rise over run. And if you do that triangle, this will be 3, because the rise is 3 and the run is 5. So it's going to be 3 over 5. Next step, you need to find whether it is a positive or negative gradient. Is it going up or down? It's going up, so it's a positive gradient. The last step, just put the equation y equal to 3 over 5x plus 0, or you just can leave it as y. You can leave it as y equal to 3 over 5x. Okay, got it? Great. The two example, which is very simple, but most people got it wrong, is very sad, okay? So if you have a line just across there, you don't have to do any of this stuff. So it cuts at y at 4, so the equation is y equal to 4. That's all, okay? And on the other hand, if it cuts on the x-axis at 10, it's x-axis, so it's x, the equation is x equals to 10. So that's all you need to know, and hope you learned something, and hope you'll be able to find the equation of a straight line graph from now on. Cheers everyone, and see you soon.